Alright guys, alright, I'm just making a video here to show if there's some sort of sound when the motor spins up or when the motor slows down. I really can't hear anything. I know there are magnets in the motor, so it's brushless, so when the motor breaks down, the magnets spins down, the magnet slows the motor down. So let's just see if I can figure out how to get it to spin. That's not that one. Nope. Nope. But that's the pump. Let me see, it starts spinning now. I can't recall where it's, how it does to spin. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's a little bit there. That's when the magnets loosen up. So now it just spins up to full speed. There's a slight squeaking noise, but that's because of the brushless motor. That's how it actually sounds when it goes up to speed. I don't hear anything major, but maybe there's a little squeak noise. I never noticed it that much. But it's not something that's wrong. It's usually normal on brushless motors. That's how they sound. If you can hear me over the sound. This is so dusty. Oh, dusty. Because the dryer is on top. Hello. Wow, you zoomed in there. Yeah. Okay, let's try. See if the brushes goes in. Oh, the magnets. There we go. So it does make a little sound when it starts spinning. You can hear it. But it's totally normal. There's nothing wrong when the motor does that. So I hope that answers your questions. Sorry I'm a little late to upload the video. I just saw your comment today. So, but yeah, nothing wrong here. This sound is totally normal. That's when the magnets goes in and breaks the motor, so it stops faster. So yeah. Well, thank you for watching. I will see if I get some time to make another video on this one. Actually, I'm moving, so I don't have that much time, and if I want to get a video done of this thing, I kind of like have to do it before I move, because when I move, these things goes to a storage area, and I can't really hook them up in a storage unit. So yeah, new things happening in my life anyway. But I will be showing you another machine when I move, so don't worry about that. Well, thank you for watching, and see you next video.